good old hoe and boiling hot water to kill the roots that are coming through from next door's fence. That's that problem sorted. Most of it anyway. Bit by bit, remember. Lovely day. Isn't it, Roxy? Lovely day. Oh, she's going to get a ball for me. Come on then. Come here. You want to play there? Alright. Can't make her mind up if she wants Snatch's ball or her own at the moment. But she's happy. She's got her bed out here anyway, so she don't have to keep laying in the dirt over there, which she seems to prefer. So we're just chilling, enjoying nature today. Just pottering about bit by bit. I'm not going to bother trying doing the turf today because my back and hip's still playing up, so they're cut ready to be moved, but I don't want to lift them yet, if you see what I mean, because it's going to dry the roots out before I get a chance to lay them, like the ones in the front garden that are beside the ramp. But all the turf's taken. That bit that was over there, I've just moved beside that just so it settles down there. Work my way round there and build it up across the corner. Just got this little bit to do when I put the post up and get the corner bit sectioned off with a cover overhead and hang the swing bench in it. I'm just waiting for the neighbour to let me know when he wants to do his fence, and then I'll help out. I'll get the actual corner one and a post for there while he's doing that bit down there. So I'm going to tie the roses with ties down the fence rather than let them hang out like that. Get them ready to set the slabs in concrete. I might see what the neighbour wants to do about the fence first. He's a good man, so we don't have any issues. Unlike the other side of that fence, and there. Ignorant people. So bit by bit I'm killing all the stuff that Roxy keeps eating. That's all tainted. Setting the borders right. I think what I might do with the other side, since he's put the fence up, is take out the chain link